있어? 너보다 내가 더 커. 너보다 내가 더 커. 너보다 내가 더 커. 너보다 내가 더 커.
I don't even have my glasses on, so I can't see. Why do I look so ghostly? Super Scion activated! Okay, enough of that. You guys have been clowning me since the beginning of time, since the beginning of this channel, since I uploaded my very first video about the beep that happens in my house. The beep happens every 30 seconds, but it seems like it happens more frequently, obviously, because I have to edit my videos. So whereas it's 30 seconds over here, it's really gonna be like every 10 seconds in the video because I have to edit it and chop it up. Anyways, today we are discovering what is the actual problem of that, so let's go. Oh, there it was. So, clearly someone has attempted to fix the whatever this thing is called before, but they didn't do a good job, obviously. And as we enter the living room, we will see this specimen. I'm filming! Now, if someone would like to comment down below and tell me how the heck I can fix this, I would greatly appreciate it. In total so far, this is 3 different, oh, there was another beep. 3 different alarm systems just in the upstairs alone. Wow. Oh, don't forget this guy. 4. And then there's, oh, shoot, I almost fell. 5. Beep, 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 beep. Now tell me, who the heck needs 5 fire alarms on their upstairs alone? What sorcery is this? And now let's venture downstairs. Oh, there's another beep. Let's find the first thingamajig. Are there even any down here? Are there any fire alarms down here, Mom?
Any what?
Fire alarms, or whatever they're called, smoke detectors.
Yeah, that's one.
Let's go investigate. So my mom found this one, and then there is one more up there on her ceiling. Now,
There's one upstairs.
so that makes 4. 5 total upstairs, 2 total downstairs, and they all beep. So, where do we buy the battery? Where do we buy the battery?
I have the battery, but I've had it for some time. I don't know how to put it on. So I have the batteries.
Mom, these are not the batteries for a fire detector.
Open that detector, you see that that's the battery. It takes 2 of each, 2 of it.
Okay, then why haven't you put them in?
Because I don't know how. I tried to put them in. That's why you saw some of them, they are open.
Next clue, we found the person who opened them. This is moving quite nicely, I might add. I'm filming.
Oh. What? Don't look at my head. Don't let them look at me. What's wrong with you?
Okay, let's see if we can install these. Are you sure these are the right batteries? She has these big ol' clunky things, and she says these are the batteries it needs. No. Okay, let's go. Sorry for the shakiness. Whew. Okay, I need a ladder, and I need my tripod. Okay, film this, hold it, make sure I'm in frame. First of all, this isn't even the same kind. Let's try that one. Excuse me. Tripod. Okay. Now y'all can't say I haven't made an effort to freaking fix this. How? Okay. I don't know how to do this. Okay, I give up. you guys can see that I have tried. I attempted my best, but not cooperating. What are you gonna do? I'll follow you guys up with another episode number 2. Let me know if you want me to continue this, whatever this is, and I will. Can you see my face and everything perfectly?
Yes.
Or should I make it look like I'm falling?
No.
Can you even see this
Yes.
and me?
Yes.
Okay. What the hell?